Hi, in this video, we're going to be showing you a new Windows 11 sharing feature that you may or may not have yet. So if you don't have it now, you should have it eventually, unless, of course, Microsoft decides they don't want to roll it out to everybody. So I do have this on one computer, and I didn't have it on a different computer that had the exact same build number of Windows 11 25H2. Then I also have this other Insider Edition computer that has it as well. So out of three computers, two of them have it. And the two that do have it, one's a retail version and one's an insider edition. So this kind of tells you that they're still rolling it out. So you'll find out eventually if you have it or not. So how it works is you just drag your file to the top of the screen here, and it'll give you options to share it and also send it to other locations. So for example, if I drag this image file up to the top here, you can see I get this bar, and then once I hover over it, I have some options. So let's say I wanted to open this in Paint. Just drag and drop it, and it opens it in Paint. And let's say I wanted to send it to my phone if I had phone link configured, which I don't, so it'll give me an error here. And you could send it to a folder if you want. Then just browse that folder and send it there. And let's say I have this PDF file. You could send it to Teams. Let's say I want to send this to Copilot. So it'll attach it in your Copilot prompt, and then you could ask questions about it. And let's say I want to attach it to my Outlook. Of course, you'll have to have Outlook configured. So it opens it up and attaches it as a file right there, ready to go. And then we have Microsoft 365 Copilot if you have a subscription there. And then if you go to more options, you can see we have some of the same options. We have Gmail here, some other Outlook accounts, nearby sharing if you have that configured. So this will actually share it with other devices that are close to you on a Bluetooth connection, I believe. Send it to Notepad, Copilot again, WhatsApp. It gives you the options to install it. iCloud if you had it configured. So these options will probably be different on your computer depending on what apps you have configured. So don't expect to have all the exact same options here. And then you could also do it from other folders too. Let's say I have this Word document here. I could drag it right out of the folder and pick one of the options as well. All right, so once again, you may or may not have this. The easiest way to tell is just to drag a file to the top of the screen and see if you get this drop down that pops up there. So I've tried looking for a Vive tool ID to kind of force enable it, but I can't find anything that works. So it looks like one of those wait and see what happens type of things, just like with everything else when it comes to these new Microsoft Windows features. And then of course you may or may not like it. I'm not a super fan because if you're moving stuff around, then you're going to get this thing in your way, which may not be what you want. Let's say I want to drag something up there to the top of the screen. I don't want this stupid menu popping up. So I might have to look into a way to disable it if it becomes a nuisance. All right, so we thought we'd just show you that real quick so you have something to look forward to or something not to look forward to. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.